Hi guys, right, so we are going to make the last dish of the week, and it is the sizzling beef and egg fried rice. So what we've got, 2 eggs for our egg fried rice, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. So put 1 cup of rice on, then add 2 cups of water. 1, 2, that should give you the most perfect fluffy rice, and you want to get that on the cook straight away. We've got a cup of peas. About 3-4 minutes before that rice has finished cooking, we're going to chuck these peas in. Okay, just turn the hob on. Okay, rice is now cooking. So, let's scramble our eggs up, ready for our egg fried rice. We're going to get 2 eggs. We're going to crack them. We're going to make sure we wash our hands after as normal. Make sure you're using hand soap. And we're going to get a fork and we are going to whisk those eggs up. Just whisk away. Right, inside our egg fried rice, we're going to put some spring onion. Okay, gives it a nice bit of colour in there. So we get our onion. We've got our clean knife, and we're going to chop the end off, and I'm going to give that a quick rinse. Always important to wash our vegetables. The farmers spray all sorts of chemicals on the fields, so it's really important to wash vegetables down. Okay, and egg fried rice is lovely with a bit of spring onion in there. So, we've got that now all ready. So that's ready, the egg's ready. Your peas are ready to be added to the rice. The rice is cooking away nicely. I'm just going to turn it up a bit to get a bit more heat. And now we're going to prepare our steak. And if you remember earlier on in the week, we had a steak. For today's dish, we're going to slice the steak up first. This is a stir fry. It's a quick cooking dish, and we want to slice it into thin slices. I've got a separate chopping board, and I'm just going to slice that steak really, really thin. And again, afterwards, I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to get rid of this chopping board and put the knife in the sink after as well. Okay, so steak has been sliced really thin. Hands to be washed. Bit of soap. We're going to turn our frying pan on the hottest heat, and we're going to let that heat up. It's going to take a couple of minutes, but it's really important we get that frying pan nice and hot. Okay, so our frying pan is here ready. We're going to get this frying pan nice and hot. So I'm going to put the frying pan on. I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil, 1 and a bit, nice big spoon. I'm going to let that oil heat up. I'm then going to place this steak straight in there, and I'm going to get my garlic and chilli sauce ready to add in there. Okay, so the steak's going to go in, then we're going to add the garlic and chilli sauce. We're going to keep an eye on our rice, cooking away nicely. Okay, so our oil's now hot, it's started to smoke. We're going to get the steak, we're going to put it in, and we're going to listen for that sizzle. Hands washed. We get our spoon ready, and we're going to keep that moving. And we want to get it brown on all sides. We're going to check our rice. It's cooking away lovely, our rice. So I'm going to take that off. That's basically done now. And as I said to you, we're going to throw the peas in last minute inside the rice. Not just yet, but we will put the peas in the rice just to get the heat from the rice. That heat from the rice will finish cooking those peas. So I'm just going to cook this steak off. Just going to go and get my peas ready. Okay, so there's my cup of peas from earlier. Going to just chuck them in the rice. Going to get a clean spoon and mix. Clean spoon. Just going to mix those peas in, and that residual heat will cook the peas. Right. Steak's cooking away nicely. We need to open this sauce up. And we're going to squeeze the contents of the sauce inside the steak. And we're going to mix it up. And as you can see, we've got a really nice sticky steak cooking there. We want to get every bit of steak cooked. That really hot sauce is going to help cook the meat. And I'm going to turn it down a bit now. Right, at this point, I'm going to leave my rice cool down because we're going to need to use this rice and peas to make our egg fried rice. And I'll show you how to do that. Steak's nearly cooked. If you're unsure, check with an adult. Just going to give it a few more minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to get another frying pan ready. And I'm going to put, again, 2 spoons of oil, 1 large spoon or 2 smaller spoons of oil in the frying pan. And I'm going to let that heat up. Okay, this steak is basically done. Just going to take that off the heat, turn my heat off, and I'm just going to wait for this oil to heat up. Now what we're going to do is make our egg fried rice. Our peas, which were in the little cup, I threw in the rice. So that's there ready. My oil's just heating. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this egg mixture in the frying pan. Listen for that sizzle. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to do absolutely nothing apart from let it set. Almost like you're making some sort of omelette. Okay? So I'm just going to let that cook off. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start pulling it and dragging. Pulling and dragging. Okay? To get these big lumps of egg starts forming. A bit like scrambled egg. If you've got a bit of soy sauce, you can add it at this stage. Okay, now the egg's started to scramble. We're going to add in the peas and rice. And we are going to mix. Really gently mix until we've got lumps of egg, peas and rice. Then I'm going to chuck in my spring onion from earlier. That's going to go straight in. And I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, we can season it now, a bit of salt and pepper if you wish. I'm not going to do that right now, but we can season it. I'm going to get a plate and I'm going to show you it plated up. Okay, so egg fried rice goes on the plate. You can have better plates than I've got. I've only got little tiny plates here in school. We are going to get our beautifully cooked steak. I've done this one a bit rarer than I did the other day. It has got the red sauce on it as well. Straight on top, there you go. You've got your egg fried rice and your sticky, crispy beef.